Have you ever wondered how creators on YouTube are making thousands of dollars by creating UGC ads, product commercials, and marketing videos using AI? Many freelancers are offering these AI-generated ads to businesses and clients on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars for each project. Take a look at this example. The AI talking avatar you're seeing on your screen was created using one of the best AI tools available today. First, watch this avatar in action.
Have you ever wanted to create a professional marketing video without spending hours editing? Today I'm testing Vlogme.ai to see how quickly it can turn a simple idea into a polished marketing video.
Now, the advertisement video you're watching was also created using the same tool. And even this stickman animation you're seeing right now was generated with the same platform. Today, I'm going to show you one of the best AI tools that lets you generate AI images, cinematic videos, talking avatars, UGC ads, product commercials, and much more, all from a single platform. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. I'll leave the link in the description below. Simply visit Vlogme.ai and create your free account. After signing up, you'll receive free credits to start testing the platform. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll find a wide range of AI marketing tools. If you open the gallery section, you'll see many examples of AI-generated talking avatars, promotional videos, animations, and marketing campaigns created by other users. You can create product advertisements, affiliate promotions, local business ads, UGC-style videos, talking avatars, long-form videos, AI live streams, video planners, and much more. Now let's create something ourselves. Click on Create Video. But before generating the video, let's first create a high-quality image. To do that, I generated an image prompt using ChatGPT. After copying the prompt, go back to the Vlogme.ai dashboard and open Image Studio. Select the Vlogme image model, paste your prompt, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and click Generate. The AI will start creating your image, and within a few moments, it'll be ready. Here's the product image I generated, a premium wireless mouse advertisement. Honestly, the quality looks really impressive. Now let's animate this image. Go back to the home page and open Video Studio. Upload the image you just created, paste your video prompt, select your preferred duration, up to 10 seconds, and click Generate. The platform will begin rendering your animation. And here's the final result. The mouse smoothly rotates, the camera slowly zooms in, and the overall animation looks clean and professional. Next, let's create a complete AI marketing video. Go back to the home page and click Create Video. Upload the same image, optionally add background audio, paste your prompt, and click Generate. The AI agent analyzes your content, creates a storyboard, chooses the visual style, and automatically generates a complete marketing video. Here's the final output. As you can see, the product animation looks smooth, the camera movements feel cinematic, and the final advertisement has a professional commercial look. Personally, I think the video quality is excellent. Now let's create another example. I'll return to Image Studio and generate a completely different scene using another prompt. Simply open the Text-to-Image section, select your aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the new image is ready. Now we'll animate it. Go back to Create Video, upload the image, paste your prompt, and click Prepare Draft. The AI first analyzes your prompt, understands the style you're looking for, and prepares the best visual layout. Finally, click Generate Video, and the creation process begins. After a short wait, here's the finished result. The AI has transformed a simple image into a polished commercial with realistic camera movement and professional animation. In this example, it created a modern office scene featuring the premium wireless mouse and turned it into a high-quality product advertisement. Overall, if you're creating marketing videos, social media ads, UGC content, product promotions, or business commercials, as you can see, we've successfully created our marketing video. Now it's time to create an AI talking avatar. Let's start by generating an avatar image. First, I asked ChatGPT to create a professional avatar prompt. Then I went to Image Studio inside Vlogme.ai, pasted the prompt, selected the aspect ratio, and clicked Generate. Within a few moments, my AI avatar was ready. The best part is that it gets saved directly to your workspace, so there's no need to download and upload it again. Next, let's generate the voice. Go to the Audio Studio section. Here, you can choose from a variety of AI voices. Simply click Change Voice, select your preferred male or female voice, paste your script generated by ChatGPT, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready and automatically saved to your workspace. Now it's time to bring everything together. Video section, select the avatar image you created, choose your generated voiceover, and if you'd like, you can also add background music. Once everything is ready, click Create Video. The AI analyzes your avatar, synchronizes the lip movements with the voice, and automatically generates a professional talking avatar video. Within 1 or 2 minutes, your video will be ready. Here's the final result. As you can see, the lip sync looks smooth, the avatar appears natural, and the platform even generates professional captions automatically. This is the same avatar preview I showed you at the beginning of the video. Another great feature is that you can create long-form videos as well, making it useful for tutorials, educational content, business presentations, and marketing videos. Now let's try something different. Besides talking avatars and advertisements, Vlogme.ai can also help you create animated videos. For this example, I asked ChatGPT to generate a stickman animation prompt. I opened Image Studio, went to the text-to-image section, pasted the prompt, and generated the image. Once the image was ready, I opened Video Studio, uploaded the image, pasted the animation prompt, and clicked Generate. After a short wait, the AI transformed the static image into a fully animated video. Here's the final result. The animation looks smooth, the camera movement feels cinematic, and the overall quality is really impressive. Finally, let's take a quick look at the pricing. Vlogme.ai offers multiple plans depending on your needs, so you can choose the one that best fits your workflow and budget. Whether you want to create AI images, marketing videos, talking avatars, UGC ads, or animated content, everything is available in one platform. After testing the platform myself, I found the workflow simple and beginner-friendly, especially for creators, marketers, freelancers, and business owners who want to produce content more efficiently. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the Vlogme.ai link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.